Northern Cape Health Department. Medical negligence claims facing the department currently stand at over 1 billion rand. Rising legal claims have tripled in the past financial year from just under 500 million rand to approximately R500 million at the start of the 2017-2018 financial year.
A huge crisis looming as the department faces severe financial constraints affecting health services. Edward Beckman is amongst those suing the department. His 2-year-old daughter died early this year at the Kimberley Hospital. Beckman's daughter had tonsillitis, fever and ear infection. Sadly, she was given medication she was allergic to.
I do think justice will be served, but I do expect a very long drawn out process, because in the experience that we've had just this year, it looks like it will be drawn out as long as possible. They will like to draw it out as long as they can.
There might be cases where the department would possibly be expected to negotiate with affected families.
We are not fighting with families. In an event, we have the view that it was really negligence on our part. The department will have a mediator in the team who will then speak to the families for an out-of-court settlement. But in an event, we believe this case can be defended. We'll go to court, defend it, and if we lose it, then we'll take it from there.
Meanwhile, opposition parties say this is a disaster waiting to happen.
They lack competent managers, they lack sufficient clinical staff, and it leads to all sorts of problems of injuries and deaths. And those claims means that the department will have to make trade-offs. It means services will have to be compromised somewhere to be able to pay those legal claims if they are successful in a court of law.
We're going to write a letter to the National Minister of Health, Dr. Aaron, to urgently intervene into the Department of Health in the Northern Cape. I mean, if you just take the legal claims against the department, it is more than a quarter of the annual budget of the department.
The department say being placed under administration will only be a temporary solution if systems are not strengthened. All claims will be investigated by a multidisciplinary team of medical and legal experts in December. Refila Khaishwe, SABC News, Kimberley.
The first of its kind